Mercedes-Benz has launched mass production of the electric C-Class for the 2026 model year at the Hungarian plant in Kecskemet, marking an important milestone in the implementation of the German automaker's global electric vehicle strategy. The site, previously focused primarily on the production of compact models, has become one of the company's key technology centers after a large-scale transformation. The expansion of the territory from 200 to 440 hectares allowed not only to multiply production capabilities, but also to consolidate the status of the largest Mercedes-Benz plant in Europe and the second largest in the world, second only to the enterprise in China. Investments in modernization amounted to €1 billion as part of the business plan for 2022 to 2026, and these funds were used to create a modern infrastructure capable of withstanding fierce competition in the electric vehicle market. The increase in annual capacity to 350,000 vehicles is accompanied by a significant expansion of the staff. 3,000 more specialists will be added to the current 5,000 employees, and in the long term, the number of staff may reach 10,000 people. New production facilities have been built on the factory's territory, 2 body shops, an assembly, pressing, and painting workshop, as well as a specialized workshop for assembling batteries, which emphasizes the focus on the full cycle of electric vehicle manufacturing. The technological solutions implemented at the site demonstrate the company's advanced approach to production organization. For the first time, Mercedes-Benz implemented the concept of a digital twin factory based on the NVIDIA Omniverse platform. The entire assembly plant was pre-modeled, tested, and optimized in a virtual environment, which made it possible to avoid failures when starting a real conveyor. The local-for-local strategy ensures the localization of the production of key components, including body elements and traction batteries, directly at the plant in Hungary. This reduces the risks associated with logistical gaps. At the same time, the existing production lines have retained the hybrid format, combining the production of electric vehicles and cars with internal combustion engines, while the new large workshop is dedicated exclusively to the production of clean electric cars. The environmental component of the project also deserves attention. To supply the enterprise with green energy, its own solar power plant with an area of 240,000 square meters and a capacity of 27.4 megawatts peak. And additional confirmation of the importance of the site is the decision to make Kecskemet the only factory in the world to produce a smaller electric version of the G-Class, the so-called Baby G-Wagon, which will complement the line of models, along with the electric C-Class and the GLC crossover. A symbolic moment was the joint arrival of Mercedes-Benz CEO Ola Kalaniis and Hungarian Prime Minister Péter Magyar in the first production C-Class electric car, a gesture that highlighted the partnership and importance of the project for both sides.